day function. This function extracts the day of the month from a complete date. The syntax is day bracket the value you are considering. The formatting is normally the result will be a number, but this can be formatted to show the actual day of the week by using format, cells, numbers, custom, and using the code, any code of your choice. Let's see how this works. This is a table containing the full date. This is the date of today. I've used today function to produce today's date, and I've used the day function here on today. So what day is today is 29th, and this shows Sunday 29th. So if I right click, I can change the format of the cell, go to number, and under custom I can choose how I want this day to be displayed. I have used DDD space D. DDD means abbreviation of the day of the week and the number. So if I choose save this, or let me choose this, let's see what comes up. Only the day of the week. So I can choose any format of my choice to represent the day. Alright, here I've put an example. The day function has been used to calculate the name of the day of your birthday. So if you put your birthday here and use the day function on the birthday and format your cell to show DDD, if the D is 4, it will show the full name of the day, like we have a Wednesday. If we change it to just these 3 D's, like this one, change it to this one here and click OK, it will abbreviate the day of the week. So if you were born on this date, you were actually born on a Wednesday. That's how this day function works. Thank you for your time here. See you in the next video.